Okay. Let me have you take a deep breath in and out. One more time, just a little bit lower and out. Good. Bring this arm up and over. Bring that arm, yep, up and over. Good. Keep your thighs to the table for me. I'm gonna rotate you like this. Good. Arms up. Yep. Hands up and over. Good. Lean back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. A little tighter. Yep. Good. And relax. Let me have you take a seat right here, facing that way. The acupuncture, so you've done a lot of soft tissue work as well. But yeah, this decompression will be different.
Whoa! Holy banana sandwich. How is that even possible?
Good. There we go. Deep breath in and out. Good. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Good. And to the other
sorry.
side. No, you're good, you're good. There we go. Got a ton of movement there. How'd that feel?
A ton of movement. That's what it felt like.
Go face down again for me. Alright, with this, I'm going to have you bend up the top leg. I'm going to just pull that shoulder. There you go, like that. And like that. Come a little bit closer to me. Perfect. There it was. There we go. And lay flat on your back. That moved very well. Bring that down low for you. Perfect. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
Come on up. Good. And catch your breath. I got part of your hair there, so deep breath in and out for me. What did you feel?
That was just my neck. Yeah, that was my neck.
I heard that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I felt that.
Yeah, that was very loud with that one.
Yeah.
Relax, catch your breath. There we go. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay, before me. And then I'm gonna rotate you this way.
I'm sorry.
rotate you this way.
Whoa. Whoa.
I'm about to cry.
Drop down to T2 on the right. Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Deep breath in, exhale out. Good. One arm up and over, yep, and the other one over. Keep your thighs to the table. I'm gonna rotate you like this. Look as far as you can over the shoulder.
This shoulder?
Yep, this one. Good. Got a little lower one here. There, that's good.
Oh! Gee, Manetti. I don't know how many vertebrae you got, but I swear all of them just did something. Oh, wouldn't expect.
Forward here just a little bit too. Okay, breathing. Okay, breathing nice and soft. We're gonna bring their shoulders up like this. This is how we adjust the low back, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna bring the shoulder up and then we're bring the hip down and push like that, okay?
Am I good how I am?
You're perfect,
Okay.
yeah. Hold on, move your back. And this one forward too, just a little more. Okay, again, same thing, bottom leg straight. Good, okay, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Go let the shoulder come up. Very good. We're gonna bring the hip down. Very back.
I love it.
If I bring you down like this, how's the pain, okay?
About the same.
So we're gonna bring 2 inches, 3 inches down. Here's the acetabular ridge. Nice, gentle, deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, we're gonna bring your hip down just a little bit. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Other way. Good. Perfect. Lean your back.
The whole time.
That's right.
Cool.
Okay, nice, gentle breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, sinking in.
I feel fine, but based on what you did, I feel like I shouldn't be able to walk.
Okay, I'm gonna test the motion.
Okay.
We're gonna see how this feels. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good. Kind of felt like the further up I went, the more it got stuck. Let me ask you, how does that feel?
Oh, it
compared to
hurts.
that?
Hurts more the further up you go, though.
Okay, let me test the motion here. Good, we're gonna lift your head up. Good. And pull this out.
Like it went to about here, but like I even felt like a pop in my shoulder. So I'm
Table, because you got taller doctors like Dr. Walker, Dr. White, you can raise the table up to meet their height requirements, so they don't have to bend over all day. Go ahead and yank it. There you go. That was better. Okay. Did you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yep.
A bit of grip on it.
Oh yeah. Oh man, I needed that. That was your. Okay, deep breath through your nose for me, Ted. There you go. Yes, sir. You should have felt that one all the way down, Ted. You okay? Yeah. He didn't scream near as loud as he has all week, guys. There you go. Now he's getting into it now. Okay, there you go. Now, keep your teeth together for me. Breathe through your nose. Just like that. You feel that all the way down? Yeah. Good deal. Come on, need to get me a new pin holder too. Can you make...
And she'll know what that means in a minute. Okay, just relax. Good, you're doing great. Good. Those tears of joy or tears of... Oh! There we go. See, BC4. You want to like this? You hear it? And you can feel it.
He cracked like 5 times.
Well, I already know it is, but... Okay. Good. Let's go. Good. Why are you laughing? Alright, so we'll start right here. You go ahead and breathe in and out for me. Good. Again. Good. Here. Okay. Breathe in and hold it in. Okay, now turn on your side facing this way. I'm gonna slide you forward a little bit. Right back there. Keep that bottom leg straight. Good. And hold. There and there. Good. Alright. Let's move it a little, alright? Alright, nice and easy here. Good. Nice and easy here. Somebody's calling her, she's popping.